So recently I decided to purchase some clip-in hair extensions. Okay, so I went to Kinky Curly Yaki and I purchased Afro Curly clip-ins, 14 inches, 160 grams. So I have half of it in here, which are 3-strand twisted. Let's take this out and show you guys. So half of the clip-ins are 3-strand twisted after I, washed and colored them. So that's what these look like. Because I didn't know how I was going to use them. They came with 9 pieces. So 5 pieces with 3-strand twisted. And then I have 4 pieces that's just hanging out on the side. And this is what the hair looks like after I colored it. Y'all. I can never get the camera angle right. Yeah, y'all see this color? With my hair? Down to the dark roots and everything? I love it. So unfortunately I don't have what the hair looks like from the packaging. But I was like, alright, let me get the hair and let me color it. So initially I went and got the Creme of Nature hair dye, and this is in color Honey Blonde 10.0. And I was like, oh, the Honey Blonde should be good. It should match my color. And when I dyed the hair, the color did not match at all. Excuse me. This gave me like a light brown color, more so like maybe the base of my hair color. And I was like, no, I needed to go lighter. So I ended up going back a few days later, a week later, and dyed the hair. And I ended up using this one, which is the Ginger Blonde 10.0 from the same company, from Creme of Nature. And this one came with the color booster. So I was like, yeah, this is the one that I needed. So these two together, and I was able to get this color. I know I'm bad with, okay, which matches my color. So I think I'm going to use them. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. I have an idea how to incorporate it, but we'll see. And now I'm showing you guys the Kinky Curly Yaki clip-ins that I have, which I've colored. And I used a total of 4 clips. So there is a clip that has 4 pieces, one that had 3 pieces, and then 2 that had 2 pieces. And I'm sorry if the video is a bit fast, but I just separated my hair with my fingers, applied the clip-in, and then I'm spraying water to both my hair and to the clip-in. Everything that I do in this section, whatever I do to my hair, I'm doing it to the clip-in as well. Here I'm applying the leave-in conditioner. I apply that to the whole section that I'm working on, that whole line, making sure to cover my hair and the clip-in. I follow that up with the Curl Control Jelly, which is what I used as my styler. I use my fingers just to grab a section of the hair, my hair and the clip-ins. I'm sorry, I keep repeating that. And then I use my detangling brush to detangle, and I'm brushing my hair with the clip-ins so that my hair could blend as much as possible. And you can see there's a difference in the texture. This hair is new, so only thing I did with it was colored it. This is my first time using it. So the texture is not in its afro coily state as of yet, but it'll get there. And then once my hair is detangled, I just separate my hair into 2 even pieces and begin to 2-strand twist. And I cut it out in the clip, but I'm twisting all the way down to the ends, and I'm also coiling the ends around my finger so as to hold the twist together. And by using these clip-ins, it really gave my crown or my bun a lot of fullness, which I really liked. And here again, I'm doing the same thing, detangling the hair together using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and then I'm twisting my hair. My hair is about 7 inches long, and the clip-ins I ordered were 14 inches. And it wasn't hard to blend my hair with the clip-ins, and my hair didn't separate from it at all. I didn't do a twist out with this style, so the twist stayed in for the week and a half that I wore this style. And this is what that first row looks like, all twisted up. The rest was done off camera. Okay, so I'm all twisted up with my Kinky Curly Yaki clip-ins. The front, I used the 2 pieces and I did the twist coming to the front. And I should have did that with the last row on the back so that when I put my hair up, it'll lay flat. But I'll see what it looks like in the morning. If I need to make any changes or adjustments, I'll do that then. But this is what it looks like with the clips in. And then some pieces I just free, just 2 straight twists in my own hair, because I want to make sure that when the hair is up, the clip-ins are covered. Here's an example of what the hair would look like pulled up in a ponytail. And that is the Kinky Curly Yaki hair that I colored. And then this is the end result from that video. So to see a tutorial on how I did this style, check out video number 106, which is in the iCards, my hairspiration flat twist updo. Thanks for watching.